Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this ceiling fan for your purposes. It comes with all the pieces that you need to install. These are the fan blades. As you can see, they are these black color ones, which I think they are really, really nice. This is the main unit where we're gonna put the fan blades and light, which I think it's really, really nice. You can see it has this nice design. And in this box, we have the light fixture. This is a screen, and these are the LEDs, okay? You just place it like this, and it goes really nice in your fan. So let's go ahead and install it. Come on. The installation, it's really simple. It doesn't take that much long. It's just some regular ceiling fan installation, which I think it's really, really nice. It doesn't take that much long to install it, and it can be done just by one person, which I think it's really, really nice, okay? And as you can see, it's already installed. You can control it with this remote. You can turn on the fan. We can change the speed with these buttons. As you can see, I'm gonna turn it up, which I think it's a nice feature. And with this other button, we can turn on the lights, okay? Which I think it's nice. You can change the temperature of the lights, which I think it's really, really nice. It has 3 different modes. We can also reverse the side of the motor that it's spinning, so we can use it on winter and on summertime, which I think it's really, really nice feature, okay? As you can see, it slows down and it starts spinning the other way around. Overall, I like a lot and I will really recommend it. See you guys!